In this video, we're going to look into the Orca AI agent. This is actually an intelligent AI-powered assistant designed to help users complete tasks, find your informations, and interact with AI in a simple and efficient way. So instead of manually going through multiple steps, users can give Okra an instruction or a goal, and the AI agent can help determine what needs to be done and assist with completing the task. So in simple terms, this Orca AI agent acts like a smart digital assistant that can understand user requests and provide useful automated support, which is pretty good. And an important feature of this is that it can understand natural language instructions, so it allows users to communicate in a conversational way, which is much easier and convenient. And it can also assist with completing tasks like reducing the amount of manual work required uh, from the user, and it can process and organize information, helping users find the relevant details and make sense of complex information more efficiently. And it is AI powered automation, so you can, instead of repeatedly performing the same steps manually, users can use the AI agent to get it done, to streamline their workflows, and that saves time as well. So if you want to use these or try the Okra agent, you can go to the official website, which is the okra.dev. You can go to your official website, and then you can just download it on your machine. So you can just download it on the machine and sign up using the account options there. So once logged in, you can access the AI agent interface and provide instructions or questions, whatever you want to do, using just your natural language itself. That's fine. And and also, it's actually designed to make the interacting with AI more practical and efficient, and the ability to understand instructions with and assisting with tasks helps users save time and also helps you improve the productivity.